Masak apa? Masak my style. Alamak, welcome back. Selamat kembali. Selamat kembali dengan cuaca yang panas sekali. Welcome back with hot weather, okay? So, how is everybody? Saya harap anda semua sihat walafiat. Hari ini kita akan masak sesuatu yang agak simple. You know, I love tauco. Saya suka fermented beans, you know. But so I intend to do with a lot of things with this fermented beans ataupun tauco. Saya bikin dengan berbagai-bagainya. Today something simple. Kita akan bikin sambal tauco. Sambal fermented beans to be precise, alright? And dengan ikan goreng with fried fish. So what you're gonna do? You're gonna saute everything and fry together. Saute everything with the fried fish. Okay, kita akan goreng semua bersama ikan goreng ni sekali. So come along with me and I show you how to make sambal tauco ikan goreng or fried fish with sambal fermented beans. Ikan goreng 4 ekor ataupun awak boleh pakai ikan apa-apa, ikan tenggiri pun boleh. You can use any fish. Saya pakai ikan kembung sebab semalam tak ada ikan kat pasar. Yesterday no fish, so I only have mackerel. You can use this one is not mackerel, this one is kembung. You can use any other fish if you like. Okay, I down here got 4 pieces. Ada 4 ekor. I have 10 stalk of red chili. Decided saya dah buang biji 10 stalk of red chili, 10 tangkai chili merah. Taruh di dalam chopper. Put inside a chopper. Cili padi optional, up to you. Okay, up to you. I have around a few stick lah. Sikit dah segenggam dalam 8 butir gitu. 3 clove, 4 clove of garlic, it doesn't matter. Bawang putih 4 ulas. Okay, letak dalam chopper. Halia 1 inci, 1 inch of ginger, 3 ulas bawang merah, 3 medium size onions. They all put inside the chopper. Okay. And then I have half bottle of tauco, seeded tauco yang tauco yang biji. Okay. Dan 1 sudu teh asam jawa, 1 teaspoon of asam paste. This one is the paste. If you don't have the paste, you can use the one with the seed. You can make like a small bowl of water lah, with water. You campurkan dengan air. This one is easier lah. Okay, that's it. The ingredients are very easy, senang sekali. So ni saya rendam dulu dalam air. I soak with water first, okay. I throw the original water, I soak with the plain water, just to avoid being too salty, untuk mengelakkan daripada terlalu masin. Okay. Tumis, naik minyak. Once the oil separated, you put in the tauco, masukkan tauco. The water you throw away first lah. Buang air yang tadi dalam mangkuk tu. The water inside the bowl, you get rid of. You throw away, okay. And then after that, kita masukkan stok ikan bilis. Saya tak taruh garam stok ikan bilis, anchovy sauce, sedikit gula pasal apa kita pakai tauco kan, taruh gula sikit Saya tak pakai garam I didn't use salt in this cooking. Here you can mash a little bit of the tauco. Awak boleh lenyik-lenyikkan tauconya biar sedap rasa seperti ni. Okay, we saute for a little bit. Pada masakan saya on my cooking, I like the tauco to be a bit more overcooked Saya suka tauco dia masak lebih sikit jadi dia rasa macam sedap tu Okay. Now put in the asam paste, masukkan asam jawa ni. Masukkan air setengah cawan, half cup of water. Ni masak tauco ni ada pakai asam jawa Yang saya giling-giling tu tak ada The one that I do, the slice, everything all slice, I never use tamarind Saya tak gunakan asam jawa. Tapi kalau buat sambal gini, saya gunakan asam jawa. Okay. Kasih dia masak seketika, kasih air dia mendidih. We cook until it bring to boil. Awak dah boleh rasa lah sedap. You can now taste. Power. Okay dah. Masukkan ikan. Put in the fish. Gaul rata. Mix all well. The fish already cook, dah masak. Kita boleh matikan tu. Otherwise it will dry. Kalau tidak dia akan kering. So, kalau sekolah tak, gitu. Okay, kita gaulkan dia. Alright. Okay, tu dia sambal tauco. Sambal ikan, ikan sambal tauco. Fish with fermented bean sambal. Tu dia sambal ikan tauco. Sambal tauco, ikan sambal tauco. Fried fish with sambal fermented beans. This is absolutely amazing and very fast to cook, good to eat. Alamak. Selamat kembali kepada sesi cekik menyekik makan eating session time. Alamak, tu dia sambal tauco. This is fermented sambal with fried fish. Macam-macam nama lah nak kena panggil kalau bahasa orang putih. Melayu senang je, sambal tauco. Habis cerita. Malay very easy, okay? Sambal tauco. Gitu. Nak cakap orang putih pun susah. Cakap Melayu. Sambal tauco. Fermented beans sambal. Sambal fermented beans with fried fish. Senang gitu. Kan nak cakap habis-habisan. Okay? Ni memang sedap. Makan gini je dah sedap. Just eat like this. Already fabulous already. Saya suka tauco dia biji-biji. I like the fermented beans, the tauco to be not the mashed one, bukan yang dah dihancur saya suka yang biji-biji, the one with seed, still in seed Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Power. Meleleh. Meleleh lah kurang. Memang power. Okay, korang harus masak. Very good. If you don't have the kat kedai in the shop, don't have the seeded one, fermented beans, they have already the mashed one. Pun boleh also can but no need half bottle lah, tak payah setengah botol. That one you can use dalam 2 tablespoon. Okay. Sedap. Sebab tu saya tak pakai garam No need salt. Sekarang cuaca tengah panas. The weather is so hot. Tak boleh nak pakai. I wear t-shirt but when I wear to work, bila saya pergi kerja saya pakai long sleeve tau. To avoid the sun, nak elakkan daripada matahari all this. Panas, kalau tidak kulit kita gelap. You work, you stand on the sun, di dekat matahari. Gelap Okay. Dah puas korang, rumah orang open house. Raya dah habis. Raya finish all go open house and all this and that. Saya ada dengar dekat social media. I heard in social media diorang kata pergi open house makan rumah free. Tak baik. Don't say like that. Cannot say like that. Okay? Don't say you go people house, open house, then you eat free. Awak kata makan free. Jangan cakap gitu. Tak baik. Rezeki ni daripada Allah tau. God give you rezeki. God give you all your wealth and everything. You cannot say like that. Okay? And then after that, you complain. You complain. Yang tak jemput pun datang. Those not invited also come. You complain. You say open house mah. Open house everybody can come. Uninvited also can come. Scammer also can come. So be careful for what you wish for. Hati-hati. Awak nak jemput orang macam mana? Open house ke? Invitation ataupun invited only? Awak open house, open, everybody can come. Scammer also can come. Okay? Then the people come, people makan. Pahala. You got good deeds in heaven. Okay? People come your house makan. Then you complain. Pahala hilang. Makan. Jangan complain tau. Tak baik, tak boleh. Cannot. So you want to do a celebration, you make sure you categorize. Open to family and friends only. Kau open house, pintu rumah tu nak kena buka tau. You open house your door must open, you know. Cannot close. Okay? So please make understand what you want to do. Hari Raya ramai nak datang. Prioritize those that come to the house. Prioritize to the elders. Okay? Hari Raya puasa, Hari Raya Haji, the first day, second day, third day or what day, prioritize is to family, to the elders. Okay? Make sure that they come and see them. Please don't bring friends. Okay? People got personal issues. Hari pertama, kedua, ketiga, kasih family. Jangan bawa kawan. Diorang ada personal nak minta maaf, minta ampun. Tears will run down from the cheeks and all that. Same like the Chinese. They come thrifty, ampau, you know. All this personal moment. Jangan nak jadi pelahap. Tuna. Jangan gitu, okay? But now it's time to save for food. Sekarang adalah masa untuk awak simpan dan stock up. Stock all your food things. Because the war is not over. Perang belum habis lagi. Kalau perang habis, war over, it will take months to recover. So before Hari Raya, they already give warning. Try not to do or try not to waste money. Okay? Dah. Very good. Okay? Buat make So, saya jumpa awak. I see you again on the next episode. Masak apa, masak my style. #mom. Bye. Take care tau. Because after the war, it's going to be a bit more harsher. Dia akan jadi lebih teruk. Okay?